Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create minimalistic frame layouts using Frame Mask. Start by opening a new document and defining generous margins for a clean look. Select the Frame tool and place only essential image placeholders, keeping the design simple. Drag your images into the frames. Photoshop automatically clips them to the shape. Double-click inside frames to adjust positioning and scale so key elements are centered. Maintain symmetry or deliberate asymmetry to guide the viewer's eye. You can add subtle layer adjustments like opacity or gradient overlays without clutter.